Well, a lot of news coming out about that guy right there, Antonio Cairoli, in the last 2 days, today and yesterday, being that, for one, him and the KTM crew have split ways. After 12 years being with, well, racing for them, and also for the last 2 or 3 years being a team manager, I think he won his first title for them in 2010. He won 4 consecutive after that, and then he also won the 2017. So that's what, six titles, I think, if I'm correct. Pretty good career for them. He did go on his Instagram to say, quote, "Thanks, Pitt and Stefan. I'm gonna butcher this. Sorry, Perrier, maybe. What a hell of a ride with the Orange crew. What we achieved together was unbelievable, and I'm super proud to have helped the growth of the KTM official, or KTM group, whatever, throughout the years. And a big thanks to my second family." You can read that. It's hashtag DeCarly Racing, whatever, I don't know, for being on my side for all my championship wins and good and my bad days. And the other side of this is he has today, so that came out yesterday. Today, it's been announced that he has joined the Ducati effort, which is pretty cool. For them to bring him on as a test rider shows that they are serious. This is a very competitive, multi-time championship winning rider. This isn't some guy that's like 10 or 15 that you're hoping he can fix out the little bugs. No, this is a guy who's going to get on that bike and he's going to try and make it, or hope to make it, a championship winning machine. And for them to take somebody like this serious of a person, this fast of a person, put him on their bike and say, "Here, make it quick, make us a championship winner." And it shows that they're really putting the effort into this. And for him, it's great, because I would assume as a racer, it's probably more of what you want to do, to be on the bike development racing kind of side of things, being on a bike instead of being the personnel administrative kind of thing. I don't know. For me, it screams this is what he wanted to do, and it's probably a really good opportunity to be on a new brand coming in, throwing money at it, and going to try and be competitive. But in the comments below, you tell me, are you excited for him? Do you think this is a good move when Ducati actually does end up start racing? Because I think they're doing the Italian and mxgp a couple rounds next year. How well do you think they're going to do? And also, since I live on this side of the pond, when do you think they're going to come over to the US? Is it 24, 25, whatever it is? Comment down below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helps me out. I appreciate it. With that, I'll see y'all later.